ladies and gentlemen, and a warm welcome to the wedding ceremony of Maria Kurisina and Ryan Miles.
In June 2015, Maria sent me this message saying, yesterday he told me I will be his wife. Like he knows future or something. It's freaky.
We have seen why Ryan has fallen in love with her. She pushes him and they push each other to be the best that they can. It's really great to see how well suited they are together.
Got it on lockdown. Let's get out of this place.
You know, when you're taking a man's daughter, it's hard. At the end of the night, he goes, "So how you feeling now, Ryan?" I said, "A little bit scared." And he stood like this. I can't do it properly. And he goes, "Hang on, steady." And he goes like this. And he goes, "What? You're not scared now?" "Now you give me, baby."
Oh, yeah.
Papa, Dad said to me, you can be anything and you can have anything in your life. And I dreamt big. Dreamt of this man who's going to come into my life and who's going to inspire me and challenge me and protect me and love me. And it just sounded so surreal. It's just never going to happen. But here you are, Ryan Miles. My dream come true.